12 Moroccan tile ideas for floors and backsplashes. Home polish interior designer Stefanie Stein took an outdated bathroom in a 1920s bungalow and brought it up to stylish speed. The monochromatic, Moroccan floor tile she installed took the newly renovated space to a new chic level. The brand spanking new floor features a dramatic dark pattern, which anchors the space by unifying all of the black accents from the crown molding to mirror frames. A Moroccan encaustic tile backsplash lends a big dose of colorful character to an otherwise black and white cooking space by Vidal Design Collaborative. Note how the blue kitchen range and the trim on the oven hood match one of the backsplash's colors. The truth? The laundry room may be our favorite place for colorful tile. Even if you dread the chore of washing clothing, having a beautiful place to get the job done may make it more enticing. This lovely laundry room by Stefanie Stein combines both Spanish and Moroccan tiles to create a gorgeous backsplash behind the folding station. Create the Mediterranean-inspired powder room of your dreams with black and white Moroccan floor tiles. Floor tiles on the counter and sink? It works better than you might think. This bathroom by WB Builders has 8-inch by 8-inch porcelain tiles above and below a small bathroom vanity. The finished result makes a big graphic statement. Because the tiles were originally made for high-traffic floors, they can easily stand up to moisture. When it comes to personalized living spaces, we love unexpected decor combinations like these rustic-inspired beadboard cabinets paired with a vibrant Moroccan tile backsplash. There are many different ways you can blend color in a space to create a unified look. The design at Vidal Design Collaborative painted the trim around the doors and windows to match the backsplash. Neutral tone cooking spaces are arguably the best places to install dramatic floor tiles. Case in point, the gorgeous flooring in this kitchen by home polish interior designer Daniela Malka Benlulu. Interior designer Kevin Clark installed the custom Moroccan tile floor in this blue kitchen featured on home polish. The tiles perfectly match the cabinets. Brushed brass cabinet knobs and a butcher block countertop crafted from cherry wood break up the sea of blue. The original floor in the kitchen of this 1940s bungalow was dingy, old laminate, which made updating it an absolute must for the team at Black Lacquer Design. Pale, minty green cabinetry throw focus to the stylish Moroccan tiles, turning what's underfoot into an insanely chic focal point. We get it, bathrooms covered with white subway tile have enduring style. But we genuinely believe there is a fantastic place for colorful Moroccan tiles in spaces like these, the floor. The example shown in this cottage-inspired bathroom by Vidal Design Collective takes things up a stylish notch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.